Hello. Today I'd like to talk to you about blueprint setup in SolidWorks. You know, it's an essential step when modeling your designs, your uh, or any design work to be modeled needs these reference images, these blueprints or the design sketch or any other drawing, reference drawing you might have from your client or someone else whom to draw. So, as being a designer, I want to mention this process in my tutorial series. I know that there are many other tutorials in SolidWorks, for SolidWorks and blueprint setup in other CAD software package, but in my series. For my sake and for anyone's sake who use SolidWorks, especially for designers, I'd like to mention this blueprint setup in SolidWorks. So hope you like it and hope you enjoy this tutorial. Okay, so let's begin. So here we go. Uh, First of all, I'd like to select right plane. Select right. Click on my sketch picture. I want to go to Reno. That's my Reno folder and Wingo. Where is it? Okay, I said right or left. It's the same in blueprint. So the size is not important right at the moment because the major point in this sketch is to align the sketch correctly. That is the point. So the rest is not important because you can always scale your image depending on your need or depending on your reference dimensions. But just to point out how to scale your sketch, it's that easy. But for now, I don't want to make any adjustments, so let me make it again. Clean this up, and we go. Selecting right plane. Okay, sketch picture. Select left. Here we go. Now I want to just adjust the transparency because it will be much more useful adjusting transparency when making your 3D model. So let's decide on 0.8. It's okay. Return and okay, and confirm it again. Now, let me select other planes, but first top plane could be useful as well in the initial steps. So let's select top plane. There we go. I don't remember the redefined top view, but yes, I have it. Okay, it would be nice. Now, as you see, my top view image is directly, perpendicular to the left image, but it's not the right view, as you see. Let me try to rotate it. Okay, so there might be some cases like that. You may need to adjust it manually. Well, it's not a big deal anyway. Just, you can slide it along your work plane, but we need to put it in the exact right coordinates. So let's work it out. As you see, in the as you see, when you move it along, you can see the dimensions changing when you move your picture. Now, we need to align this edge to the right plane. So let's see the smaller value here. So it means that it has to be the right plane. So I put it now. As you see, this value is close to this one, so it means that it is the dimension of this width of this picture. So I can put 553. As you see, it snapped. We just carried it along the work plane. Now I forgot to adjust the transparency. Let's put it 0.8. Here we go. Here we go. Now let's confirm it. Now we have our two of our blueprints. Now here comes the point. Now uh, you may want to put your front image here, but when making your 3D model, if you see your uh, front view, front reference view at the front of your model, right up here, well, it will be too much difficult to control, to handle your model. So it's better to offset this plane at the back of this image, so that when making your model, it will be much more practical to use it along your model. Okay, here we go. Let me offset my working plane, front working plane here. Oh, let's wait. I don't know why it is waiting for, but here we go. Now it goes in the opposite side, so click on flip here and let's see it sliding along the axis. Now as you see, it comes to the end of the image, so it could be enough for us. This distance, okay. And now let's click on sketch. There we go, and I will select my front image here. There we go. So let's check it out. Then there's some issues to indicate that this won't be something useful, because in order to check the image correctly, I need to intersect them each other, within each other, among each other, so that we can understand the right dimensions. Now, well, I can see it. I made them in the I cut them all. I tried to cut them all in similar dimensions in Photoshop, but let's see. It may not work. Let's see it again. Today I can't speak properly, so excuse me for that. Anyway, so let's bring our front view reference plane reference image to intersection point. Here we go. Now let me adjust the transparency here. Here we go, 0.8. Now click on it, and now. So it's better to better to move it along X, so that I can see whether if it's in the right order or not. It's really hard to guess it this way, but you have to see the differences. Okay, so I guess we'll make it this way. Well, here comes the confession that I really got rusty because it's been quite some time, I guess, that I didn't play with these blueprints stuff. Anyway, here we go. So let's see our image. I just want to understand the image, the touch point of the wheels. I just want to check it out. I just want to confirm it, whether if we have it right or not. But as you see, there's a little difference there, so we need to pick it up, but this is not right, so let's put it 0.5. 0 makes nothing, and let's make 5, so 2 millimeter. Okay, let's make it -5. Yeah, somewhat similar. Yeah, okay. So we found out something. Now let me check. the rest. So the the very top point, the top surface, the highest point of the roof of the car is somewhere else here. So it's better to bring my plane, front view plane, into somewhere else in this area, so that I can check the top surface levels, whether if they align among themselves or not. So let's check it out. Let me adjust the distance of my working plane. Oh, it didn't work out anyway. Let's put it in the right view, and well, I guess it looks okay. Now here we go. It's time to check it out. Okay, now come here. Previously we put this -5 mm value to y coordinates, so there's no problem with that. As you see, they exactly intersect at the right point, so it means that our images are correctly aligned. So let's put it to 0. Now we know that right image and the front image are correctly aligned. I know about top image, so I mean, I see no need to check it out. But you now, I mean, I think that you understand how to check um, your alignment. So now let's put our front view plane to a longer far distance at the back of the car, maybe a little bit longer. Yeah, it could be fine this way. So, and perspective view looks so sexy in these stages. So here we have our Renault Twingo models blueprints. So I hope you liked the tutorial and find it useful. If you have any other questions, and if you have any other thing to ask me, please feel free to drop out your feedback. Okay, so thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.